This is example 4 for the COSMOSXpress lesson. In this example, we're going to be using COSMOSXpress to optimize the design of a rubber foot. We've got a determined load that will be applied to the foot and a defined allowable compression of the foot. What we need to do to start this example is open the example 4 starting point file and then save a copy of it in your own personal working directory. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and select COSMOSXpress. We'll select Material, and under Other Non-Metals, we can select Rubber. We can then select Restraints and apply a restraint to the bottom face of the rubber foot. Next, we can apply a load. That's a force to the top of our rubber foot. With that load applied, we can select Next, and this load is going to be 100 pounds. We'll now run our analysis. We can see that our factor of safety is well within the design requirements. We're not going to optimize at first. Let's look at the displacement. Although the factor of safety is well within our design requirements, our current maximum displacement is 146 thou, as shown in this chart. I got that by realizing that the units of measurement are inches, and we have to move the decimal place one spot. So we have 146 thousandths of an inch. What we'd like to do to optimize this design is select Optimize. This time we'll say yes, we want to optimize. And we'll optimize for a maximum displacement. We've determined that a 1/16 of an inch is the only allowable compression. So I'll enter 1/16 of an inch and select Next. Now, of course, the dimension that we want to modify is the diameter, because the center dimension is for the bolt running through the middle, and the overall height is obviously the dimension we're trying to maintain. We can enter an upper boundary of 2 inches, and obviously the lower boundary is insignificant because we know the model is going to have to enlarge in size. I'll now select Optimize, and COSMOSXpress is now generating multiple scenarios to gather its information. You will note quite often it will appear that your computer is not responding correctly, but this is normal for this process. Okay, at this point, COSMOSXpress should have completed the analysis about 7 times to come up with its final decision. We here have an initial design weight and a final design weight. So we can see we've over doubled the weight of our part. If you'd like to see an animation of the various sizes COSMOSXpress attempted to create, we can select Animate. Now we can see the various sizes COSMOSXpress tried. I'll select Stop and select Next. Let's now select the displacement distribution. And we can see our maximum displacement is only 63 thousandths of an inch, exactly what we are after. I'll select Next, and we can close this out. Yes, I would like to accept the COSMOSXpress settings.